we're at the Roadhouse, I think. They're hiring. VIP Club and early dining, $10.90. Roadhouse rolls. The Roadhouse Caesar salad. Roadhouse Caesar salad. What do you have to say? There's butter on your face. There's a fine. This is the Fort Worth 12-ounce steak. And you got the ribs, right? Half a rack?
Half a slab.
Half a slab. So this is the 12-ounce steak. Let's see what it looks like when you cut it. This is the 12-ounce Fort Worth ribeye. You can see it's medium. Look, it's nice and rare. Pretty good, right? It's not bad. Let's see what it tastes like. Yeah, it's a good, very good taste. It's a very good taste. So here we are at the Roadhouse. So how was your lunch?
It's great.
What'd you have?
Half a slab of rib.
Yeah.